Today we're going to be talking about why Shiba Inu Coin is falling and how it is going to bounce back. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu coins you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And if you guys are interested in getting some free Shiba Inu coin, then go ahead and use that first link in the description. Get signed up with Public, the social investing app. Then you can deposit $1 in the app and you'll get $70 worth of free stock, which you can then sell and then invest in a Shiba Inu coin. Boom, you got yourself some free Shib with the first link in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. And here we are on public.com. We can see that Shiba Inu Coin is down to the 49 level, down about 10% on the day. And we're going to be going over, why it's down in a second. We're also going to be going over some possible ways it will bounce back. So if you want to see all that, make sure you guys stay till the end of the video. But you guys know what we got to do first. We have to check the social activity behind Shiba Inu Coin. So here we are on StockTwits. We are not sponsored by StockTwits, by the way. But Shiba Inu Coin is number 6 in terms of activity in the last 24 hours. Obviously, stocks are ahead of them like Tesla, AMC, all of that. And that is because obviously it is a weekday, and on the weekdays, stocks tend to trend and have the most activity. On the weekends, cryptos tend to trend and have the most activity. However, Shiba Inu Coin is the number 1 trending or most active crypto in the last 24 hours, right in front of Bitcoin. So we're still trending very well with Shiba Inu Coin. Now, in order to understand why Shiba Inu Coin is down right now, you have to understand what's happening with the global crypto market. So basically, the global crypto market is hemorrhaging right now. We are only sitting at about a $2.65 trillion market cap, which is a lot more than it was a month ago. However, it is a lot less than it was just a week ago. We are down about 6% on the day, which is one of the worst days I've seen in a hot minute. And it is because Bitcoin is down 6%, Ethereum's down 7%, Binance is down 8%. Basically every single coin is down in the 5 to 10% range. Not only that, but you guys can see here the last 7 days, it has not looked good for the global crypto market. Basically every single crypto is down. You can see the 7-day percentage, pretty much there's no green here. With the exception of like AVAX and crypto.com, there's pretty much no coins that are doing well. Now, that's not any different for Shiba Inu Coin. We can see that Shib is still sitting at number 11, and we're much ahead of the next closest one, AVAX. But basically, what you guys need to understand is when Bitcoin and Ethereum are down, basically what happens is Shiba Inu Coin and any other altcoin for that matter is also going to be down unless they have a catalyst pushing them up. So I'm assuming that AVAX and both and crypto.com have some catalysts that are pushing them up. I mean, even both of those are down today. However, whenever Bitcoin and Ethereum are down, the results are usually amplified for different altcoins. So you can see here like Polkadot down 8%, Shiba Inu down 10, Dogecoin down 7. Basically, the reason for this is because the market cap is much bigger for Bitcoin and Ethereum, so they lose a lot of money, and then it's way easier to lose percentage when your market cap is lower and a lot of money is flowing out of the crypto markets and say maybe into the stock market or into other asset classes. So I know what you guys are wondering, hey, how do we bounce back then? So there's a number of ways we can bounce back, and that includes basically having any sort of catalyst. When we do not have any catalyst like we have for the past week, I mean, yesterday, we got that AMC announcement, but that's not enough. We need a big catalyst such as, maybe Kraken listing Shiba Inu Coin, maybe Robinhood listing Shiba Inu Coin. Any of those catalysts would make us break out of this consolidation we've been seeing, but sadly, they just have not happened yet. You can see here that the crypto lead executive at Kraken FX has tweeted then deleted a post saying that he's feeling good about this week with a gif of Shiba Inu dog typing on a laptop. So if this were to happen, we would break out of consolidation and we would be one of the only altcoins up on the day. But since we don't have any confirmed news yet or an actual listing yet, we are basically just trading with the crypto market, which is obviously just not doing well at the moment. So basically we need a catalyst to take us out out, and there just aren't any coming up within the week. Okay, but now that we understand how we can bounce back, let's go over the Shiba Inu coin and how they're doing. So you can see that we are on 1.8 million watch lists. That's not something I bring up too often, but that is something that's they're probably one of the most watched cryptocurrencies on here. Now we are down 10%. However, the volume is up to $4 billion, and that's something that is very, very important. If you want to see these big swings to the upside, you're going to need volume. And if we take a look at the historical data, over the past 4 days, it's been trading between $1 and $2 billion. That's not going to be enough to move a market cap of $27 billion. However, $4 billion, now we're getting somewhere. Even though it's selling volume right now, we have kind of hit a bottom down here, and we'll talk about that in the technical analysis in a second. But one thing you need to know is this volume being up is a good thing, because now it's looking like we've hit a bottom and we're just going to be going up, and the volume hasn't stopped. So that is a good thing to see. Okay, but now let's get into the technical analysis. So the first thing that I want to kind of go over is the whole macro. So basically we have a resistance at the 88 level, obviously, because that's our all-time high. And then we also have a support here that has been touched, I believe, 5 times now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times that we bounced off this morning. We bounced off this support at 45 very, very well. We hit an RSI of 23. However, now we are trending up on the MACD, so everything is looking extremely good for Shiba Inu coin for the rest of the day, and the volume is picking up. So hopefully we can break out of this downtrend we were just on and break back up to the 50 to the 56 level and start to consolidate a bit more in there. But yeah, we bounced off this support line really well, and this is just adding to how good this support line is. We even almost have a support line at about the 47 level in terms of candlesticks. However, we do have that massive support here at 45 that we have stayed with. The RSI is now sitting at a 47, so we could definitely make a leg up considering we're not overbought and we're closer to oversold, and we are overall trending upwards in terms of the MACD. So overall, it looks like we've found a bottom, and this is a great place to get into Shiba Inu coin in my personal opinion. But you know, don't take my opinion. Invest what you want to invest when you want to invest in Shiba Inu coin. But overall, we're seeing a lot of good signs on the technicals after bouncing off this support. But yeah, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe, and also comment how many Shiba Inu coins you have down below, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu coin army is. We know you guys are extremely strong, but obviously we've been getting tested a lot recently. So let's see how strong the Shiba Inu coin army is, and comment down below how many Shib you have. Make sure you guys get your free stock down below with the first link in the description. With Public, remember, when you deposit that $1, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock, which you can then invest into Shiba Inu coin. So get yourself some free Shib with that first link in the description. That's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.